Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you what's arguably the easiest way to make money online in 2024. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has made it simpler than ever to turn a profit online, and this year, it's reaching a whole new level. It's amazing how times have changed. You can now make a full-time living from the comfort of your own home, thanks to the internet. For over 6 years, I haven't had a traditional 9-to-5 job, and I've generated millions of dollars for partner companies and hundreds of thousands for myself along the way. But today's method is perfect for beginners, works worldwide, and requires zero investment. Let's jump right in and see how to make money online with AI in 2024. The rise of AI. Before diving into this method, let's quickly explore the potential of AI and the earning possibilities. Here on my screen, you can see that the generative AI market was valued at $29 billion in 2022, and was projected to reach $43 billion in 2023, which it did. By 2030, it's expected to grow even more. There's more. Over on Statistica, you can see the market growth year by year. From $5 billion in 2020, it jumped to $11 billion in 2021. In 2022, it doubled again to $23 million. The market is booming in 2024, growing by 20 times. Another article I found here on Bloomberg estimates the generative AI market to be a $1.3 trillion market by 2032. The good news is that as this market expands, so does the earning potential. A lot of millionaires and billionaires will be created with AI, and that means you need to capitalize on this now if you want to make serious money in the coming years. You want to be an early adopter to reap the benefits of AI. If you start now in 2024, you'll be miles ahead of those getting in later when the market is saturated, making earning money difficult. So, if you're as excited as I am, smash that like button because I'm about to show you how to get started making money online with artificial intelligence right now. Sponsor Showdown. Before we continue, a quick word from today's sponsor, Namecheap. Whether you're creating an online store for your business, personal brand, or affiliate blog, there's one super important thing you need, a special web address called a domain. Think of it as your store's unique ID on the internet. Here are some examples. Binance.com, CR7 fragrance, store. And even the site you're watching right now, youtube.com.now. Here's the cool part about these domains. Notice the .com store or net at the end. This is called a domain extension, a unique tag that sets each website apart. So if you're running an online store to sell products, I highly recommend using store at the end. Even Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, and millions of other entrepreneurs use this for their sites. Even Mr. Beast himself recently ditched .com to put store at the end of his domain, simply because it fits his brand and helps him sell a lot more online. A website that ends with store tells customers straight away that they've stumbled upon an online store. It's different and stands out among those long and confusing website names. Now, based on a recent study done on website domain statistics, using a store domain not only helps you stand out, but also helps you sell more. Websites that end with store get a whopping 87% more interest from customers looking to purchase things online. Having a store domain isn't just about getting more visitors to your site, but it also helps your customers find your brand much easier. The word store is very simple, and people love using it when they're going to purchase things online. This means websites with store at the end get double the visibility when searched on Google. And if that isn't enough, you also get a 12% lower cost per conversion when you're running ads to your site.